Hi, this is Tobin from Virtual Storefronts. Today I'll be dedicating a new live feed, a very new live feed for Bangor, Maine, up here in Penobscot County. This week we're mourning the sudden death of Jon Ferreira, a Bangor high school friend and part of what I call the Bangor crew, who passed away in a car accident early Sunday morning outside of Bangor. Jon was a member of the Technology Without the Work Facebook group, and he had shown an interest in virtual storefronts. This summer, he started his own business called Bangor by Foot after working as a tour guide in Boston and participating in theater programs across the country. Jon really had a passion for storytelling and history and his hometown, my hometown of Bangor, Maine. He started doing walking tours that my mother, a Bangor resident for over 50 years, and my sister, Michelle, enjoyed in August. Although Jon considered having a storefront, he closed his business before he could get one towards the end of the season this year. Jon was part of a special community that includes my close friends and family, and some like my brother Silas, Roman Blanke, Greg Andle, and now Jon have passed away. But many other people who are very close to me continue to contribute to Bangor's uniqueness. In Bangor, I learned the importance of businesses as a community's glue and the significance of relationships with business owners. My journey in Bangor began with delivering newspapers in winter and working in downtown businesses like the Wizard of Comics, getting to know my good friend Francis at the comic book shop, buying all kinds of, getting paid in comic books very frequently. Bangor showed me the significance of places and instilled in me a sense of caring for one's home and its inhabitants. That's why I'm dedicating this live feed to Bangor by naming it the Hometown Maine feed. I'm going to keep it like that until at least the end of 2023, throughout 2023. Bangor holds, and we're going to do that in the next video. Bangor holds a special place in my heart as a town that shaped my understanding of places and people, and I am very excited to open the live feed in Bangor.